Producers get hands-on knowledge about the latest products and services available in ag at Husker Harvest Days. It's the 40th anniversary of the event held in Grand Island, Nebraska, where RFD TV's Mark Oppel joins us live.
Yeah.
It looks like July. Grand Island, Nebraska, major USDA monthly crop report released here within the hour. John taking care of that. We want to be where the news is, and some friends that we met and got a chance to visit with in Decatur a couple of weeks ago are, like others, going to the Western Corn Belt now and visiting with folks at the Husker Harvest Days. One of those with me now, CEO Christe of Prescription Tillage. Rich, good to see you.
Thanks, Mark. Good to see you again.
Let's talk about some of the, I'm going to call it, out there today.
A lot of the agronomic challenges, especially with the True V blades, are hairpinning, cutting, turning, sliding, plugging. We have massive sidewall compaction, subsoil compaction, and we've got green crop planting, we've got cover crop planting, we've got BT, we've got massive. With these good yields we're getting massive stubble out there to deal with.
So how is Prescription Tillage meeting and answering that challenge?
We designed the STP blade around agronomic geometrics. So we utilize a tooth design to turn the blade, and we use friction and forward motion to cut versus massive sidewall contact. We flow dirt from the front of the blade to the back of the blade and return it back into the soil. Furrow for good soil to seed contact. We also lift and fracture the sidewall so we can get early proliferated root development, and we can also help prevent rootless corn syndrome by not compacting that zone.
Wow. So farmers will visually see the difference with your blade. Talk about longevity here and blades and how again Prescription Tillage is answering the call.
We're using a 4 millimeter below the metal versus a 3.5. We do have an offset pattern so we can utilize the same amount of width going in the soil for the same amount of DP requirements. We use a heavy duty cast hub for high speed, heavy down pressure requirements we're needing today, so we eliminate blade deflection and hub and bearing deflection. We've got a double seal, double roller 204 bearing that gives us a lot of rigidity. You can go to prescriptiontillage.com.
Good to see you in Decatur. Good to see you in Grand Island.
Thank you, Mark.
Good
Appreciate
to see you, and John as well, your assistant here today, doing a good job. And again, Prescription Tillage, the name of the company. Check out that website. One of many partners here that we're visiting with at Husker Harvest Days. We continue tomorrow as well. Back to you, Christina.
Thank you, Mark. And again, that website is prescriptiontillage.com. And if you're at the event, stop by RFD TV booth number 649, and you can receive an autograph from Heisman Trophy winner Johnny Rogers. He might even take a picture with you. Meet Brian and Darren Hefty from Ag PhD, and you can enjoy some free summer sausage samples courtesy of Nebraska Angus Association. And check in on your financial planning with American Century Investments.